This video is going to show you how to make creamed hamburger. All you do is take 5 pounds of ground chuck, cook it up on your stove till it's done all the way through, nice and brown, just like that. Now we take 4 cups of milk and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, heaping tablespoons, and then we're going to shake it up till the cornstarch is all mixed with the milk. We're going to have our heat on medium heat. Then we'll pour the milk into the hamburger. Make sure you drain all the grease off your hamburger beforehand. And we're going to add our milk and cornstarch. Then we're going to bring it to a slight boil. The cornstarch will help the milk thicken up. Once you cook it for about 5 minutes, it'll be all nice and thick and creamy. Then you can put it on toast or mashed potatoes or noodles, whatever you like hamburger on. And this is how you make creamed hamburger. We're going to give it about 5 minutes to come to a boil. Then I'll show you how thick it gets. While your creamed hamburger is coming to a boil, I'm going to add a little salt, a little pepper, depending on how much you like. It's just a taste. Stir that in. You just gotta keep stirring it as it's boiling because you don't want it to scorch. See how nice and thick it is now? I hope you like my recipe for creamed hamburger. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.